Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Kizer Mini Militaw. So let's check it out. It's got very nice packaging, which every Kizer I've ever dealt with has. It's got some spare hardware. It's got looks like a sticker. Nice little cleaning cloth. And I guess like a little proof of purchase with some QR codes on it. Let's get down to the knife. Oh, that is very nice. So this is the Kizer Mini Militaw, and it's got these micarta inlays into a G10 handle. It's a front flipper that's also got a thumb hole, so you can flick it open with your thumb. It's a liner lock, and it's kind of hard to see that liner because it's dark, but it's got a very solid lockup right there. As you can see, one-handed closing, perfect centering, nice pocket clip. And basically the way these things work is you remove these screws and you can order different inlays for it. So if you want to put carbon fiber or Ultim or a different color G10, they make a bunch of them. They've also got Kizer Militaw um, pocket, or not pocket fixed blade, but like full size fixed blade. They've got a larger Militaw folder, but I went with the mini because I just felt like that was a good size for me. I like the blade shape a whole lot, and I like the fact that you can customize it with the little inlays. They put a lot of thought into this, and this is an awesome knife. I'm a fan of it so far. I haven't used it very much because it just came in, but it is very nice. So let's take a look at some of the specs on it. It is right at 4 inches closed, and oh, I actually got it the thumb open. It is, oh, hold on a second now. It is just about 7 inches overall opened. Let's weigh it real quick. $74 grams total in weight. And look at that grind on that thing. It is just a beautiful knife. It's D2 steel from Kizer. It just has an excellent edge. Fit finishes great on it. I really like the way they buffed out these G10 scales, and it's perfectly flush. You get a little bit more grip on that micarta section when you run your hand over it, and then it smooths out into that G10, and it's just a beautiful knife. I really like that color scheme. I like the option to change the inlays out, but honestly, I like the way it looks just like it is right out of the box. This is a very nice knife, and I think it came in right around 40, 45 bucks, something like that. It is very solid. Nice jimping right there. Fills the hand up. This is going to be a great EDC knife for sure. So if you're interested in something like this, look up the Kizer Mini Militaw. So check them out.